Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the conditional if node in N8N. This powerful feature allows you to route your workflow data to different branches based on specific conditions you set, making your automations much smarter and more dynamic. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to N8N.io. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to type in your credentials to log into your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to your N8N dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all your workflows. From here, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Create Workflow button. This will take you into the workflow creation environment where all the magic happens. You'll now find yourself in the N8N Workflow Editor. At this point, you'll be presented with two ways to create your workflow. The first option is to build manually, which you'll see as the Add First Step option. The second is to build with AI, which can help automate some of the setup process. For this tutorial, we'll be working manually to give you full control over your conditional logic. To add the if node to your workflow, right-click anywhere on your workflow editor screen. This action will bring up a context menu where you should click on Add Node. A right side panel will appear with a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in if. From the results that appear, look for the if node with the description that says route items to different branches. Click on it to add it to your workflow. This node is essential for creating decision points in your automation. Once you've added the if node, a parameter window will open up. This is where you'll configure your conditions. The first thing you need to do is fill in the value 1 field. This represents the data or variable you want to evaluate. Next, click on the Conditional Statement drop-down menu. Here you'll see various types of conditional statements you can work with, including string, number, date and time, boolean, array, and object. Choose the type that matches the kind of data you're working with. After selecting your condition type, you'll need to add a condition operand in the value 2 field. This could be a specific value or another piece of data you want to compare against value 1. And that's it. You've successfully set up a conditional if node in N8N. This node will now evaluate your conditions and route your workflow data accordingly, giving you the flexibility to create complex, intelligent automations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.